reviews best motorcycles for beginners Kawasaki Ninja 400. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of motorcycles, specifically for those who are just starting out. We have a real gem to showcase, the Kawasaki Ninja 400. This versatile and beginner-friendly motorcycle has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 is a lightweight and agile sport bike designed for urban commuting and weekend riding. It's powered by a 399 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers a smooth and responsive performance, perfect for new riders. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the Ninja 400 is its affordability. As a smaller displacement motorcycle, it's a more budget-friendly option compared to larger bikes, making it a great choice for new riders. In terms of performance, the Ninja 400 offers a good balance of power and handling. Its 399 cubic centimeters engine provides ample power for city riding and highway cruising, while its lightweight design and agile handling make it easy to maneuver through traffic in tight corners. Design and aesthetics. The Ninja 400 has a sporty and aggressive design that is sure to turn heads. Its sleek lines and modern styling give it a sophisticated look. Target audience and relevance. The Ninja 400 is ideal for new riders who are looking for a reliable and affordable motorcycle. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to handle, while its forgiving nature makes it a good choice for those who are still learning to ride. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 is a well-rounded motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and affordability. Its compact size, lightweight design, and forgiving handling make it a perfect choice for new riders. So, if you're looking for a reliable and affordable starter motorcycle, the Ninja 400 is definitely worth considering.